Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 11 and today I would like to show you how you can add screen lock on this device. Firstly, you need to access settings. Now scroll down and choose... Come on! Passwords and security over here. Then click on screen lock and pick one of those login methods, pattern, pin or password. Tap on the best one for you. I will go with pattern, wait 5 seconds and tap on got it. Now you need to enter your login method and following that, repeat it. When you're ready, select confirm at the bottom right corner. And over here you can also add your fingerprint by tapping on add and following the instructions. I don't want to, so I will go with cancel and choose home button. Now when I turn off my screen and then turn it back on, as you can see, pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!